Hi, Barry Cross. Welcome back to my channel. In today's LeadsLeap review video, I'm going to show you how to get referrals to the LeadsLeap platform so you can get more traffic to your offers and you can also earn residual income as a free member. So I'm going to show you the proof and I'm going to show you a strategy a bit later on how you can do the same and you can start today totally for free. I'm in my LeadsLeap back office. I'm going to go into view followers. So their terminology for followers is a referral. And you'll see this week, level 1 are my direct referrals, the ones that I've personally referred using this strategy. And this week I've got 1, but in total I've got 27 referrals. And what that does is, I'll just show you here on the, I'm a pro member. I started out as a free member, but I'm now a pro member. And I'm going to show you the free versus pro comparison chart. And this gives you all of your benefits as a free member. So when I scroll all the way down here, you'll see at the bottom, you get all your free tools as well to build any online business. You'll see here affiliate commissions as a free member, 25% recurring. So a percentage of your free members will upgrade. Everything's a percentage of everything. This is the tools on here are so valuable, and the traffic includes buyers, that a percentage of people will upgrade. So you can earn free recurring residual commissions by introducing LeadsLeap to new people, and then when they upgrade, you can, even if you're a free member, you can earn 25% recurring commissions. And as a pro member, if you decide you want to upgrade, you can earn 50% recurring monthly commissions as long as they actually stay a member. So I want to talk to you now about a strategy that I use to get these referrals, and it's called cross promoting within other traffic sites. So what I do is I cross promote in Hercules. So Hercules has got a database of 148,000 business opportunity seekers, and this includes buyers as well. So if I go into my affiliate program here, I'm going to show you some proof of why this works. So I promote LeadsLeap in here, but I want to show you also some proof of commissions that Hercules works with his cross promotion method. So I've referred 39 free members, and 6 of those are upgraded to gold, and I've earned $193 in commissions by just promoting free traffic to people on the internet. So people need traffic, and they need more and more traffic, and they generally use at least 10 different traffic sites to promote to a different audience. So let me just show you now, this is really important. Let me just show you here within LeadsLeap the tools that you can use. So I'll show you what I use when I promote in Hercules. I'm going to show you exactly what I do. Marketing funnels. Where's my tools? Bear with me. I'm just looking here for the okay, tracker, marketing funnels, landing page builder. All right, here we go. Affiliate links and tools. So they give you all the free tools. Everything's done for you. I'm going to show you one here that I promote. So give away this free report. So you see this one here. If I preview that, this is what I promote within Hercules to get LeadsLeap referrals. So you'll see this report here. There's no opt-ins. They can download it or read it online, but it's got built-in links with your affiliate ID. So I'll show you in Hercules how I promote that. in the ad mailer. I'll go into ad mailers and I just promote this report. People read the report and it's built in automatically your affiliate links to LeadsLeap. This is how you get referrals using the free tools and cross-promoting. And I'll show you here, just bear with me, it's just taking a bit of time to load up. So we're going to continue to the ad mailer. Everything's done for you. You don't have to worry about anything. You don't have to create anything. All the tools are here. Just keep things simple. Advertise where the buyers are. And we go down here into my ad mailer. And you'll see here, I can resubmit a previous ad. And what you'll see is that report that I've just shown you is what I'm promoting to the Hercules members. So no opt-in, open now, and I've been promoting that for the last 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, more than 2 weeks. More than 2 weeks. So when I click on resubmit ad, it auto-populates the ad mailer. Very, very easy to use, beginner friendly. Anyone can, if you send an email, you've even got a video tutorial here that tells you how to do it. And you'll see here, it auto-populates my ad mailer. This goes out to 148,000. And when I click on test URL, what you will see is that report that I've just shown you. And that's all I do. Keep it very, very simple. Use the tools. It's a bit slow, and there it is. Get my simple 1 sign up a day strategy. See how I get daily sign up to the business I promote. They click on there to download it or read it online, and it's got my affiliate links for LeadsLeap built in automatically. I do the same for Traffic Ad Bar. I've got 20 referrals on Traffic Ad Bar. So I cross promote in Hercules. I promote in Traffic Ad Bar in LeadsLeap. This is how you get referrals within different traffic platforms. People on the internet are a member of more than one traffic site because they're free to join. And then when they upgrade, you earn referral commissions, and then you can reinvest that into more paid traffic, and then you can scale up your advertising. So that's proof of how I get referrals. There'll be a link to join LeadsLeap. It's free to join, so set up your free account. There'll be a link in the description. You can earn residual income as a free member. With LeadsLeap, you also get free marketing tools to build any business online. The cross-promoting strategy in other traffic sites, I've shown you proof of how that works today. I'll be your one-to-one mentor and give you all the training and support you need. And if you've enjoyed this video, then please give me a like, a big blue thumbs up like. That will help support me on my YouTube journey. I'd really appreciate that. And if you want to watch some more Make Money Online videos, then please click subscribe and click the bell icon for notifications, because I've done now over 290 videos on my channel. And we've got videos here on tools, on traffic, on training. We've got videos on list building, we've got commission proof on the programs that are actually working. I show you income proof of what's working. We've got videos on list building. We've got videos on free traffic, paid traffic. We've got videos on how to build a YouTube channel. So it's like a one-stop shop for you on how to make money online if you subscribe to my channel. I've also done a playlist for you, so I've organized everything into playlists, and I'll pin the playlist to the LeadsLeap reviews to the top comment below this video. So if you want to watch some more LeadsLeap review videos before you set your free account up, then you can click on that link in the top comment in the playlist. So if you've got any questions at all on LeadsLeap or affiliate marketing, or any videos you'd like me to make on affiliate marketing, then please leave those in the comments below. I answer all the questions and comments that I get. And thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. I'm going to put all the links to these 3 traffic sites in the description so you can join and set up your free accounts. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I look forward to seeing you on the next one. Bye for now.